Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we are going to learn how to add a link to a text element. So let's get started. First, click on the text element you want to work on. Then go to the action bar above and click on link. Then click choose a link. This small window will pop up. From here, you can choose what kind of link you want to embed onto your text element. You can link a page, a section, a web address, a document, and so much more. And depending on what kind of link you want to embed onto your text, make sure that you input the necessary information asked here. So, say for example, if we want to link a web address, we should input the correct web address or URL over here and then set how we'd like it to open, whether we want it to open on a current tab or on a new tab. And if you select page, make sure you select the correct page you want to link. Same goes for the section and everything else. So let's try web address here. Let's say I link this to somewhere, but just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to link it to this address over here and have it open in a new tab. Once you're done, click on Done over here. And to see if it worked, you can preview your site and then try clicking on that linked or embedded text to see if it will lead you to the correct place. And it just did. So basically, that's how you add a link to your text element on the Wix Harmony Editor. We hope you found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.